Tyler Lewis, Phenom Hooserman with Andre and Tyshawn with Carolina Premier. Awesome Game 1 performance. How do you feel like you and your team performed?
I feel like we played well. I feel like we could talk more, and all 5 crashed on rebound on the defensive board.
Obviously, you talked about, playing harder, crashing, competing defensively. What's it like playing for this Carolina Premier team?
I mean, it feels good. Everybody talking on D. Everybody at least trying. We trying to win. We playing hard.
I love it. Obviously, that's the thing. Playing hard, control what you can control. How would you describe your game as a player?
As a player, I think I'm a really quick guard who likes to get his team involved and can score at will.
Definitely saw that out there, being able to create not only for yourself, creating for others, creating paint touches. How would you describe your game?
Athletic, quick, get downhill, make open pass, make my team better.
Totally agree. Well, keep up the great work. Congrats on winning game MVP. Looking forward to following you guys the rest of the weekend.